crypto people, how are you? Welcome back again to my channel. It's my second video about Nakapad.io. It's basically a Launchpad project. I already discussed the main things of this project and discussed the feature, how can you apply for IDO, and how can you benefit it in is the forum to must be fill up for there to apply launch to the project in the Nakapad platform. Now I discuss their light paper. You can see in here the project name is Nakapad, and here the social media is Twitter, Discord and Telegram. You can join their both platform. Now let's the main topics of Nakapad. Access the next generation of crypto Launchpad with Nakapad. The main problem they identify in the cryptocurrency and why they bring a new project about on Launchpad. Navigating cryptocurrency is not a straightforward as its affairs. The key lies in investing in a project that will endure, advance and offer a sustainable business model along with the token appreciation. Now they will work. Currently, Launchpads primarily provide a technical foundation, surely for fundraising. However, there's a need to assess project throughout their entire life cycle to foster their shared success and thrive and increase revenue. And the main essence of this line is Launchpad. Launchpad basically problem. Launchpad basically help the projects to build the project and fundraising and how to sustain their development in the future. They will help to the project. And now we are Web3 builders. So the main team of Nakapad, Mohammed is a well-known person in cryptocurrency space. They have already run in many projects. I already work there his project, some project in here. Mohammed, our experience as founder with successful ventures such as Tubalkal Lab and Reddit. Reddit is a nice project, and the Joker along with the data factory solution generating 5 million revenue over 3 years. Mohammed exceptional financial equipment, affair head, Nakalef's fat to resounding as success. Ibrahim, the CTO. Nakapad's blockchain links in and bringing a more 8 years of the expertise and financial software and development. Ibrahim leads our technological initiative with versatile skill set and comprising mobile and backend development. He is the visionary behind our technical innovation. Another one, Benjamin, CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. You can see in here our team. Here, Web3 Legal, Paulo, designer, Web3 developer, Milan, Sophia Fine, operation and partnerships, Gary, Solidity developer, Yari, Web3 developer. You can see in here the advisor and partner. ISM, scaling and ops strategies, and business analyst and design Jack, Firoz, marketing guru, Mino, marketing expert. Why Nakapad? It's the important question. Solving the challenge in the blockchain project launches, 92% sellers rate, limited access, complexity of launch, total rise 280, Rockford estimated in 2022 alone, 425 million total losses in the result. That's why they bring a new project. Launchpads, a case study in the project launch. The Nakapad will play a vital role in the making project survive and thrive, and give them the tools needed to overcome challenges and market fluctuation. Despite the being a real project with a tangible product and significant user base and extensive marketing exports, the token experienced a steep decline of -98%. The project encountered due to an educate token economic model and underestimated of the utility of the market manipulation and strategic diving significant token. In here, the Nakapad service, setting you for success, legal, marketing, technical, and liquidity. The A to Z one-stop shop solution, helping project from their initial idea to launch. Good initiative. Current year of the platform, you can see here the progress of the platform rise and Nakapad community already in a dynamic overview. For total member across the Twitter, Discord, and Telegram, 14,000 plus, and 280 videos created by the community, and 225 AMS session, 1,830 articles. Our roadmap I already discussed about in the first video. You can see they will press 3, go to the market, and data scaling up and broadening of the horizon, and Nakapad defining standards. You can see in here introducing the Nakapad self-service toolkit, reward fold, save board, and token miniature. Reward fold enhance your community, engage with our reward fold designed for an easy step of custom and reward scheme. The future schemes keep your community motivated. In here you can see in here how can you earn from the reward folds, token miner the power of and fuel Nakapad. You can see in here the tokenomics, public sale 8%, private sales 38%, early investor said 4%, advisor 5%, deals 10%, DAO growth 35%, and liquidity sex 10%. You can see here the total market circulation 5 lakh 90,000 initial market cap, and fully diluted market cap $2.4 million. That the if you can if you want to invest or engage anyway in this project, it's up to decision on your project. I just elaborate the main concept of the Nakapad project. You can see in here that the Twitter is the progress about in Twitter. You can see in here the Twitter already in yellow color. You can see already verified A to Z Launchpad solution, simplify, secure, and succeed in your launch. You can see in here the already arrange a new event. In here, join Nakapad co-app bounty program and create content about Nakapad 2 taps in our 1 lakh reward for. In here,